Learn simple English sentences. Don't clip your nails. Don't clip your nails. Don't grit your teeth. Don't grit your teeth. Don't cut your hair. Don't cut your hair. Don't spit outside. Don't spit outside. Don't cover your face. Don't cover your face. Don't scold others. Don't scold others. Don't beat others. Don't beat others. Don't speak offensive words. Don't speak offensive words. Don't follow bad habits. Don't follow bad habits. Don't believe anyone. Don't believe anyone. Don't cheat anyone. Don't cheat anyone. Don't act like a good guy. Don't act like a good guy. Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others. Don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors. Don't spread rumors. Don't get angry for trivial reasons. Don't get angry for trivial reasons. Trivial meaning, having little value or importance. Don't meddle in unnecessary matters. Don't meddle in unnecessary matters. Meddle meaning, to become involved in something. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.